Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Right now, hit the like button. We want 2,000 likes on that. Right now, hit the like button. If you're new, hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. We got a lot to talk about today. Let's get right into it. But firstly, this one is brought to you by the Stock Squad, okay? We got Keenan Grace killing it. We got Stocks with Josh giving us the best in charting in the Stock Squad Patreon, myself with my momentum plays and regular stock to buy. And then we got Mo doing live trading over there. We're killing it over there. If you have taken the class, now that you guys have overwhelmingly signed up for the class, what class? Stock Up You. Then come join the Patreon. Now you know what to do, how to make money. Let's get right into it. Look at that. Stock market news today. Stocks find footage as Powell. Okay, let's cut that off. Make sure there's nothing. There we go. Stocks market news today. Stocks find footage as Powell chills rate cut hopes, right? So let's go down here and let's read here. Okay, U.S. stock rose Friday, which is today, after wrapping up a stellar month. Which November was, as investors began to digest remarks from the Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, who warned that it would premature to conclude that Fed rate hikes are over. He's like, don't get ahead of yourself, blah, 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 blah. We don't know when we're going to cut. That type of deal, don't get ahead of yourself. But the market did like it, actually. The market just wanted some clarity. You know, when Jerome usually talks, the market usually goes down, right? But let's see what the market thought about the Fed's remarks at the point of filming this, which is at around 1:20 Eastern Standard Time. The Dow did like it. Look, the Dow was back to 256. S&P was up and the NASDAQ was up. Now, just the fact that Jerome was going to speak and it was Friday, I turned very bearish, but I said in the Patreon, of course, I don't know what he's going to say, right? And so he was still sounding to me very dovish, all right? All right, so you guys got that. That's what's happening today. Now, I'm going to show you some part of my portfolio that I'm buying about some stock that I was talking about, and these are crypto mining companies, okay? So I want to make sure everyone understands where we are with the crypto mining companies. Now, I made a video. Let's see if this one is it. I made a video. This one I made a while back. 5 stocks to pop, Hughes Profits, Morrow Riot, CleanSpark, Hive, and Hut 8. Now, I want to clear some things up, and then I'm going to show you another stock that I added to this. You can't DCA, you can't buy fractional shares of Hut, okay? I did not know that at the time, but they won't allow you to buy fractional shares. So I replaced Hut with MicroStrategy, but I'm still buying Hut. So what I'm saying to you is, if you want Hut as one of your stock to DCA daily, so if you got Webull, which is, there's a link below, or if you are using Robinhood, you won't be able to buy $5 a day. So what I'm doing is I'm keeping Hut, but I'm just buying it $25 a day. That's what I'm doing. You do according to what you can afford. I'm actually physically doing it, okay? 25-ish a day, okay? So sometimes I'll miss a few days, make sure I do it in a week. So I'm keeping Hut in there, Riot, Mara, CleanSpark, BTBT, and Hut. But because the trading apps allow you up to 5, I know Webull does, allow you up to 5 per day, all right, or 5 reoccurring investments, then I added MicroStrategy. Now I'm going to bounce around here, hope I don't miss anything. Let's go right to MicroStrategy. This is MicroStrategy. They're the biggest holder of Bitcoin. They're not a Bitcoin mining company. They are one of the biggest holders of Bitcoin, right? And I decided to DCA into it also, okay? So I'm DCAing into MicroStrategy, right? You guys see that, right? So it is look at this. Look at this. I put a comparisons to Bitcoin. Okay. Look at this. Just today alone, MicroStrategy is up almost 5%. Bitcoin is up, as you can see, right? But let's just go year to date. Look at that. Bitcoin, a whopping 134%, roaring, okay? But MicroStrategy is 260, all right? So MicroStrategy is absolutely killing it. Now, if you don't like MicroStrategy, anything in that area, you can use Coin, C-O-I-N, and if for those of you that's doing options, if you're doing options on Coin, you might want to look at MicroStrategy. All right. I'm not saying the same buy and sell prices, but it's just like with Baba. If you're looking at Baba, I would be looking at PDD. If you think Baba is going to run up, I would be looking at PDD. I'm going to make another video about that. Okay. I know somebody's saying it's a Chinese company. Yes, it is. It's a Chinese ADR. All right. So let's keep it going. Listen, I want to show you guys. What I'm going to do now is show you guys what I'm doing with the crypto mining companies. Okay. Look at this, good people. Look at that. That is today. Look in the right. P&L. Look at that. Look at that. So this is my $5 a day. I'm sorry, $25 a day with HUT, BTB, Bit Digital, CleanSpark, Mara, and Riot. Look, when I started, which was not too long ago, I shared that video with you guys not too long ago. Riot, I am up 30%. Mara, I'm up 33%. CleanSpark, I'm up 88%. BT, 32, and HUT 813. Just that quick, good people. And so what I'm going to say about that is I expect all of these are going to cool down. Now, I can take my profits and run, but remember, what I just showed you was my what? DCA, right? So I don't have a lot in because that's my DCA. So dollar cost average, that means buying the same amount at a certain period of time, okay? So look at this, good people. As you could see, I got Mara, Riot, CleanSpark, BT, and what? MicroStrategy. As you can see, my next purchase is December 1st, $25 a day. Just wanted you guys to see that I'm actually doing that. That is my set it and forget it mentality, okay? But here's what I want to show you guys also. This is in Webull. This is my Webull portfolio. And as you could see, I don't have many of these 5 and 4 and 5 shares, as you can see to the left. But as you can see to the right, these were the one-time purchases, okay? Riot, 30%. Mara, 33%. CleanSpark, 88%, all right? HUT, 13%. The same amount. So far, me DCAing and just trying to buy the dips are about the same. But we need more time for me to buy the dips. Now, here's what I want to be crystal clear about these crypto mining companies. All right, I expect 3 to 4 months pre-halving. I expect 3 to 4 months of a bleed off, a cool down on all of these, right? And so I want to be crystal clear. My strategy may be different from someone else's, even someone in the Discord. My strategy is my strategy, okay? And know what worked for me last time, okay? With Mara, I turned $2,400 into $53,000 with Mara, Riot, and I think it was mostly, I would say 90% of that was Mara and Riot, okay? Crypto mining companies. That was in 2020 into 2021. This is the accumulation phase, good people. For those of you that don't know how to do options, or you're at work and you're just trying to figure all of this out, this is why I did this, to make it easy for you. Now, I want you to know, if you're DCAing in these crypto mining companies, I expect them to bleed off, or should I say come down, 3 to 4 months, right? as I look in the past data, in the past halvings, okay, now remember, there is no 100% that is going to absolutely mimic what it did last season. All right, so all we can do is guesstimate, all right? Guess and estimate. And so I want to be crystal clear. So what I'm doing is this. Right here, as you could see, these are my, let's go in here. All right, this is my dollar cost average, every day $25 for me. You do what you can afford, okay? Now, here's what I'm going to do. Right now, I am putting $25 a day in them. Now, clearly you guys see that I have some Hawaiian Electric in there, HE. You can clearly see that. I bought a little bit. Why? What's going on with it, Larry? Well, not much. I just think it's beat down enough. I think, let's go here. I just think that it's range bound. Today, it's up a whopping 5%. But I just think that it's kind of been range bound between 1150-ish and 14. And as you can see, it's just been, after the big fall off, it's just been hovering up and down ever since then. Let's go here. So we got about a 11% move, you know, from this period, as you could see here, right? And so I just, you know, like a little risk. As you can see, I didn't go in really heavy, up 5% today. And that's to explain why I'm into a little HE. I'm up 4.75%, and I literally just bought it today. But what I'm going to wind up doing when they come down, I'm going to put $50 a day at some point. You see, as it goes down, I'm going to put more in. So now, if you can only afford $10 a day, then I would suggest you're doing $5 a day now. And then when it goes down, do $10 a day. Why even do it, Larry, if you know it's coming down? Just in case. Just in case. I don't like chasing. I don't like missing it. Just in case it does not go down. Just in case this cycle is a little different. But what I have for assurance is I have more dry powder that I am going to put what? Into my Moo account. Then if it does go down in my Moo account, I am going to buy big chunks of it. Okay? Big chunks of RIOT, Mara, CleanSpark, BTBT, and HUT. All right? So that's what I'm going to do. That's my strategy. So if it goes down, really comes down, then I'm going to buy more. And then what? I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. I'm buying from now until into the halving is what I'm going to do. I'm going to DCA. I said until the end of March. I'm not going to end to the end of March. I'm going to watch what it's going to do. I'm going to keep buying because minimally I expect the lowest gain to 4x. That's what I expect, okay? So now you leave me a comment of what you're going to do and what your strategy is, but that's my strategy. Remember, I'm telling you now, I said it when Josh and I did a live many months ago. And when I brought these 5 to you the first time, I said, I expect leading into the halving for there to be a pullback. So I want to be clear. So why are you DCAing, Larry? Just in case it doesn't pull back that far. I don't want to miss. So the easy thing for me to do is to what? Accumulate. Why? Because it's the accumulation phase, and I don't mind accumulating with fluctuation. So remember, cool down. I don't know where. I can tell you one thing. As charting goes with stocks, the accuracy in crypto is way less. That I will tell you. Crypto and charting, you're going to miss more charting crypto than you will charting stocks. That I could tell you, all right? All right, I know some may say, no. I'm telling you, you guys, I remember 2020 and 2021. Man, crypto overnight kept snapping those lines like it was crazy, okay? Crypto trades 24/7, right? And a lot of this stuff happens with crypto while you guys are asleep, right? I'm gonna leave it right there. Leave me a comment. Remember, make sure you come over and join the Stock Squad, and then what? Stock up you. We're still here. You want to learn, you want to earn, okay? And we will see you later. Live, love, laugh, and learn. We'll see you guys that are registered for LA. We'll see you in LA. Can't wait to meet with you guys, talk with you guys, and just love on you guys. And we're just going to pour out. I'm thankful to be a part of this group with Keenan Grace, Stockmo, and Stocks with Josh. Man, man, this family is awesome. We'll see you later.